If you are excited to eat healthy, but half a plate of plain vegetables feels intimidating, this peanut sauce might actually make you crave your veggies. It's a very simple recipe. You'll need half a cup of water, 5 tablespoons natural peanut butter. For the healthiest option, choose one with peanuts as the only ingredient. No oil or sugar added. Then a chunk of fresh ginger root, a clove of garlic, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and soy sauce. All you need to do is blend them up until ingredients are well combined. It takes only minutes to prepare, and you'll get yourself a creamy, flavorful, bright, and very satisfying sauce with just under 70 calories per 2 tablespoons serving. Keep in mind, after sitting in the fridge, the sauce thickens, which makes it perfect as a dip for fresh veggies. This sauce is very versatile. Serve it with stir fries, steamed or fresh veggies, and enjoy!